Okay, so let's come out here real quick. So this is the apartment I'm in. This building back here, that's the garage, and I'm parked right here. And this is not the most greatest way to work on this, and they don't really like it when I do. Sometimes I take up a few spaces and things like that. But I wanted to show you all this. This is what I've been trying to work with, and it's just not been real conducive. It's where I live. So I've been here about 18 months. I got this place about a month after I came off the Appalachian Trail in 2024 because again I fell and had some really severe fall, concussion, separated shoulder, lung contusion, all kinds of things. But I wanted somewhere to sit for about 18 months and through 2025 and get my health in a stellar place. Also turning 65 this last Christmas, 2025. So, but that's done. It served its purpose. So there's a lot behind what I've been doing to prepare. So I've been in 404 square feet place. So bathroom, small kitchen area. This is stuff again for the van. It's still going in it. This is my workspace, and this has been kind of my job site for working on all this stuff for the van and getting it. This is storage stuff. It's all packed up and it's going into storage, and some stuff in my closet. I'm pairing all my clothes. So I'm just going to have a couple of things of each, and again, just have some storage stuff. So back. Turns out trying to convert this 2024 Ram ProMaster into a camper van in my apartment back parking lot is a little challenging. Hi, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Scott Tatum and have been traveling Nomad, exploring and hiking for 9+ years in my truck and trailer and truck camper and a simple truck build. Now I'm converting this van into a camper van. Or at least I'm trying. So this has been an interesting experience. This is definitely not a one-man job. It's been quite a learning experience. There's been mistakes, there's been setbacks, things that have cost me a couple of dollars. That mainly the ceiling. So by the time this airs, I will only have 8 days left to get some things I need to get done, and I have just been completely getting set back. I did not allow myself enough time, and as I talked about just a second ago, this is not a one-man job. There's lots of tasks that I need some help holding things up to get them positioned correctly before I screw them down or whatever it is I'm doing, affixing them to the van. And I haven't had that, and I haven't sought that out because I felt like most of this I could do on my own. And I still think that I can get most of it done on my own, but this whole process has me taking a step back and really understanding what I do and don't want. I don't have a vision in my head for a dream van. I had a vision in my head for what I thought I should have, and that's it. The setbacks have brought me to that realization. So I'm actually grateful for them. The weather, we had this the ice storm and stuff like that came through last week, set back a few days. I've had to send back materials because they were the wrong size. I've got all these excuses around it, but they were all what brought me to this slowing down and calming down a little bit. So that's what I'm doing in next week's video, because that'll be the video that I do that's going to show you everything that I have that's in here. And might talk a little bit about what I'm looking at, but I'll touch on it now. For example, well, no, I won't. So I'll wait on that. But that's what I'm doing now. I feel very comfortable with everything that I have. I'm overall a minimalist in how I think. I still like things. I still like comfort, but I don't need it. And I don't, it's not something besides coffee, that I would actually be missing. Again, I've been on this self-care savage journey for a long time. years ago, dozen plus years ago, giving up on myself, finding a trail, hiking, starting to hike, and I just never stopped. And that's, again, I talk about the self-care savage mentality, and that's where all that developed. And I've done a lot of work on myself to heal and forgive from being just a whiny ass victim for so many years, and just living my life making decisions from a victim mindset, and that's just not wise. So that's what we got. So again, if you have any questions, and again, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. If this is your multiple times here, please subscribe. That's what really helps push this stuff out further, and so I can keep still pushing the message out now on YouTube. Because if a lot of y'all haven't been here before, don't know, we've got a community overall of 1.6 million across, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. And so those are all things that really, really help the channel and help the channel grow. So hope it's been of value to you. But I love you guys, and we'll talk next time, and you'll get to see it all, what I have put together in its simplest form as I'd be driving down the highway to wherever the destination is. Bye. Still had some notes I didn't read, but maybe next time.